Unveiling the secrets of weed barrier fabric. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that gardeners love and landscapes depend on: weed barrier fabric. If you've ever wondered how to keep your garden looking pristine without constant weeding, you're in the right place. Let's explore what weed barrier fabric is, its benefits, and how to use it effectively. Weed barrier fabric is a landscaping tool designed to suppress weed growth. Made from woven or non-woven polypropylene or polyester, this fabric is laid over the soil and covered with mulch. Its primary purpose is to block sunlight from reaching the weeds, thus preventing their growth, while still allowing water and air to penetrate, nurturing the soil and plant roots beneath. Utilizing weed barrier fabric in your garden offers several advantages. Reduces weed growth. By blocking sunlight, it effectively reduces the need for frequent weeding. Soil moisture retention. Helps in retaining soil moisture by reducing evaporation, benefiting your plants during dry periods. Improves soil health. Allows water and air to reach the soil, enhancing soil health and supporting the growth of desired plants. Saves time and effort. Less weeding means more time to enjoy your garden and less physical labor. Installing weed barrier fabric is straightforward but requires careful attention to detail. 1. Prepare the soil. Remove existing weeds and smooth out the soil to remove any debris or sharp objects. 2. Cut to size. Measure and cut the fabric to fit your garden bed, allowing for overlap between fabric pieces. 3. Secure the fabric. Lay the fabric flat on the soil and secure it with garden staples or pins, ensuring there are no loose areas. 4. Make planting holes. Carefully cut X-shaped slits or holes in the fabric where you want to plant your plants. 5. Add mulch. Cover the fabric with a layer of mulch to protect it from sunlight and to beautify your garden. Choose high-quality fabric. Not all weed barrier fabrics are created equal. Opt for a durable, high-quality fabric that will last several seasons. Overlap edges. Ensure at least a 6-inch overlap between fabric pieces to prevent weeds from finding their way through gaps. Regular maintenance. Check the fabric regularly for tears or openings, and replace or repair as necessary. Weed barrier fabric is a game-changer for gardeners seeking a low-maintenance solution to weed control. By understanding what it is, its benefits, and how to properly install and maintain it, you can enjoy a healthier, more beautiful garden with less effort. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!